the Lord is come. Let earth receive a King. Let every heart prepare Him room. And heaven and nature sing. And heaven and nature sing. And heaven and nature sing. Yes, welcome again. Yes, you're welcome again. Now, we know what today is about, right? Yes, today's session is about Bible craft activities. My name is Opeyemi Richardson Awibo, and you're welcome to Blue Bloom's Artwork channel. Awesome. So now, today's activity, we're going to learn how to make a paper crown. What was the king that was given birth to on Christmas Day? Yes, Jesus. And we sure do know that Jesus is the King of all kings. We know that, right? Yes, he's the king that is over all the kings in the world. And he's sure our awesome best friend. I love Jesus so very much. Sure you do too. Awesome. On today's session, we're going to learn how to make a paper crown. Because Jesus was born on Christmas Day, He made us princes and princesses. Yes. So from that day, we became princes and princesses. So to celebrate Jesus' birthday, don't you think it's necessary for us to put on our crown? Our golden crown. Yes. And you could go for silver, you know. So for you to know whether it is silver or gold, that would be so lovely. Let's create.
Let's begin. 2 gold card strip, stapler, permanent marker, elastic, accessories. Yes, so you can look around the house for this. Silver diamond cutout, Hue glue, pencil, scissors. Let's start by cutting the gold card. So we need 1 for the first cutting. So pick 1. Now fold it into 2, but don't crease the folded end. This is so that we don't have crease line on the crown. Now draw half of the pattern of the crown. So we're using zigzag here. You can use wavy line, you know, or any form you want. Just be creative with it. Now cut through the line. Now the cutout would definitely not go around your head, so we need an extra strip. So now take the other card to measure for the extra strip that will be used for the back of the head. That's the part that will be stapled to the elastic. Now plant the silver cutout and accessories on the gold card. That's the cutout for the crown, and to check where you want each element to be placed. And then after planning, you start gluing. You can glue in 2 ways. Apply your glue and then glue one after the other, or apply your glue on all the elements and then you glue one after the other. Now to make it look more beautiful, we need to add some extra patterning. So this can be drawn patterns. You draw with pencil. In case of any mistakes, you can easily clean that off, and then after drawing with your pencil, you trace with marker. Outlining, remember? Outlining. Now it's time to add the extra strip. So the first thing is to cut the extra strip into 2. Now apply the glue and start gluing 1. You glue 1 on the right and 1 on the left. Now it's time for the elastic. So now what we're going to do is this. Now we staple the elastic with the elastic inside, but before then we need to measure. So you put the crown on your head to measure the length. Be sure of where you need to cut off. So that will help you to know where to cut off. Now this is done, it's time to staple. So you can use stapler, you can use glue. Also, you staple from the inner part of the crown so that the pin doesn't pick your hair while you're wearing your crown or even pierce you, you know. So you staple this from the inner part so that the pin, the negative part of the pin, is outwards. You can see. Also, we can use ribbon, you know. Ribbon is another awesome material that can be used instead of elastic. Done, and our crown is ready. You can see how lovely the crown looks. There are other elements that can be added to the crown depending on what you want it to look like. Just be creative with your idea.
Let's jump for joy, jump for joy, jump for joy. Jesus is born. Yes, that was awesome, right? Awesome activity. We sure did enjoy it. Wow, such beautiful crown, right? Just we learned how to fold the card and then draw half of your pattern, then you cut. Remember, why we did that is so that we can have the same pattern flow. Also, we learned how to add our accessories. So you definitely don't need to add exactly this. Go around the house, check for very bad clothes that you can find accessories on them. Ask mommy, ask daddy. You sure would find fine, cute accessories around your house, and then you can use them. You can also go for card patterning. Just pattern a card, cut it out, and use it to decorate. So, what type of crown would you love to make today? The golden crown or the silver crown? So, are you ready to try your hands on them? Please do try your hands on them so that we can celebrate Jesus' birthday on Christmas Day with style. So, looking forward to seeing you next time on my channel. If you find my content interesting, please don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe. It's sure to go a long way. Till then, see you.